not everybody wants a job that requires too much pressure, angry bosses, a lot of phone calls, too much attention. But calm down, relax. I got a good news for you. There is these two less remote jobs that I got for you. Two of these remote jobs, you can do it from your home all alone without no stress, no pressure, and it is less competitive. It's something that at the end you will earn up to $20 to $50 per hour. Yes, I'm not assuring you that you are going to make that same amount, but this is like my personal experience. Yeah, I'm sharing it with you to see if it is something you could try, because obviously it's something you need to try. Guys, you need to stay with me till the last one, which is the second one that changed everything for me. You see that one? That one blew up my mind, and I want you to hop on that one immediately. So if you have been looking for a remote job tirelessly and you ended up not getting anyone, you see these two remote jobs. If the first one did not work for you, you see the second one, I promise you it will definitely work for you. So all you have to do is watch this very video from the beginning till the end. Subscribe to this channel. Yes, hit that like button and turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I drop videos like this. I know you have been struggling to get a remote job, and when you get anyone at all, they will tell you it doesn't work in your country or it requires experience. But this one, no interview, no experience, no degree. You have to do this one directly from your home. So come with me, let's go right now.
The first remote job is a freelancer platform, yes, which is known as rev.com. This rev.com is a platform where freelancers can earn money by doing just simple transcription, capturing, and subtitle their translation work. Okay, now once you look over here, these are those inside you can find inside this rev.com. okay, now I want you to go through it. You can actually pause this particular side of the video, go through it. Okay, now what does it require? It's not necessary, it doesn't require any experience. You generally don't need previous professional experience, but all you need is just good English and listening skills, good grammar and spelling, ability to type accurately, a computer and a reliable internet, ability for you to follow detailed guidelines. Every single guidelines you'll be getting from this particular rev.com is what you need. And lastly, you may need to pass some a little bit test, that is an application, before getting accepted. Okay, every finding verified, from intake recording and deposition to police report, body cam and all of that, blah blah blah. So I don't want to read too much of it so that this video will not be too long. Now, from the evidence to first draft in one place. Now once you scroll through here, I want you to go through this app, read through it and see and get more insight about how it works. Okay, then if it is something that you want to try, you can actually try it out. Okay, now once you look, if you actually want to try this rev for free, you just click on this try rev for free and it will bring you to this interface where you have to either register or create an account with your Google, yes, your Google email. Okay, so you just simply click on the continue with Google. Once you click on continue with Google, then it will bring you to your Google where you have to select your Google. Okay, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, then click on continue. Now once you click on continue, the beautiful part of this one is that it doesn't require any experience. It doesn't require a professional experience. Now can you see, congratulations, your rev account has successful. So you put more about you, anything about you. Okay, so if you are into education, marketing, legal, others, research, just I'll click on others and put what I want. Just put it, click on continue. Want to try Rev Pro for free. So now if you actually want me to make a separate video like this particular, if you want me to make a video of this particular platform just alone, just the the platform all alone without combining it with any other platform, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, drop it in the comment section and I'll actually make a special video, like a one video about this particular platform. Okay, you actually want to know about the industries, the products. Now this is where you can get legal and investigation for you to carry out your duties. You have criminal defense, criminal prosecution, law enforcement, law, and a lot of them. Okay, so now once you go by, you can still see a lot of things, products, so many things, both new products, image analysis, and a lot of them. Okay, now if you're a beginner, you can apply, but getting accepted into this platform and having enough work available are separate matter. Yes, they are not the same. It's just a separate kind of things you need to do. Okay, can you see? These are the images of safe clipped. Yes, safe clipped of like an evidence of what they want to, like something that happened, use it to carry out investigation and all of that, because like I told you, it is something that you need a transcription, you need to transcribe, a lot of them. So these are templates of library built for investigation. Yeah, this is how investigation formats goes, like, so just try it and let's see if there's something you can try. Okay, let's move over to the second one. This is the second one that actually paid me. Is no other platform than Meko. Yes, guys, if you have not heard about Meko, now Meko is a very good platform. Now, what does this Meko works? This Meko is an organizing human intelligence to power the AI economy. Take for example, now you start with this Meko. Now they have to connect you with AI labs like evaluating, reasoning, coding, transcribing, and a lot of them. Now there are different rules in this particular platform. Now, but before you apply for any role, you make sure that your resume is updated, and it doesn't even require experience. It doesn't even require a professional experience. See, Meko is actually paying. Yes, if you have Meko, you need to take it seriously, and it is a work from home type of thing with hourly payout. So treat them like a serious organization that means business. Yes, now if you also have a CV and a resume, you can actually upload it on your own account. Yes, and I'll actually make a video on how you can actually start off with Meko. Okay, so you need to check out my channel and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned so that anytime I upload, you get it. Yes, now this particular platform, the time I tried it, I didn't get it right until one of my friends actually put me through on how to start up and getting paid with Meko, and my first payment was, I think, $608 I got from my first payment. Okay, now these are the latest rules. Now the first rule here is for Medicare Advantage members, people that are into medical line. Now if you're into medical line, you have the interest in medical stuff, you just click on apply and you get to the next stage. Okay, now once you look here, you can see about 262 people has been hired recently. Now the next job is corporate and controlship account. Now if you are into this field, then you need to go and apply. Okay, so now for you to actually apply, is you actually need a Google that you have not used before to create a Meko account. Okay, click on this start working. Okay, so once you click on this start working, now this is my own interface. Okay, and this Meko actually goes with referral link. Yes, if you actually have a Meko account, you already have your link. Okay, now these are the available rules depending on your field of expertise. Yes, so whenever you create this account, go through it. I will actually drop the maker link or my own referral link in the comment section so that you will tap on it and use it to create your own account. Okay, now this is where you are going to upload your resume. Now this is where their earnings lies. Now their earnings, you have to put your payment method, but first you need to put your country. Yes, because it's that your country that will now determine the payment method available in that particular country. Just click on it. So they will tell you the amount they are paying per hour. Yes, they will actually tell you the amount they are paying per hour, and every row, some rows have their different amount they pay. Like this one, they pay you about $60 to $100 per hour. Yes, it's an hourly contract. Okay, but I'm now assuring you, you are actually going to make this amount. It depends on how diligent and how hardworking you are doing this job. Okay, so now if you want to apply, just click on this apply now and we take you to the next step. Okay, but before you do that, you need to make sure you complete your profile. Yes, for you to complete your profile, just click on this home and you can come here and say complete now. You start off with it. Okay, Maker is actually the new oil money right now, guys. If you're not using Maker is actually paying. Okay, and it has paid me. I can testify it paid me into my own PayPal account. Okay, so guys, this is the second one that if you have watched to the point of this video, that means you really want to get paid, to know the exact platform that is getting people paid. You say this one, try it, you are going to get paid. I'll make a video about it. Okay, a separate video about how you can start up with Maker, create an account and start getting paid. Okay, so check out my channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I drop videos like this. Okay, so thank you. I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye bye.